Next is design. In design we have themes. We can choose different themes here. Colors, we can choose different colors. Fonts, different fonts. Watermark. Watermark is on the background of the page. You see, it's sort of a stamp. It says confidential on it. We can also type watermark. For example, custom watermark. We can type here, let's say executive. See, executive has been written here. Then we have page color. We can color this page. If we choose yellow, it will be a yellow page. We can also border the page. This is how we border our page.